What's up, man? It's your boy Serious again. Back again with another video. Show you guys how I hooked up my wideband, you know. My HP tuner is right there, you know. Still haven't relocated it to the cabin. But we'll get to it. You know. Got the Taurus fan. I forgot all about it. I butchered it, you know. I made it work. It's a good fan. 3 speeds. Here, there, and gone. So nice. You know, it works. It's real good, man. It cools this shit down real good. So, my laptop is the one I use to tune. That's long everything, you know. Laptop more reliable than the ThinkPad, man. So, it's only like $100, you know. It's got all the computing, you know, processing power you ever gonna need. But as far as the wideband, the AM, oh, you see where I plumbed it down there. Let's see if I can get you out of here. Yeah, I don't know if you see it right there down there. But it's down there. I got 2 bungs on my headers. So I might stick another one in there, just, you know, get both banks in sync. You know, might not have to, but I don't know. I might get some money, get me another, scoop up another wideband and get both sides running right, you know. It already runs great, man. So I don't know what else I want out of this, but check it out, man. But let me show you guys how I did it, man. Check it out. That was my wideband right there. I used to have my oil pressure sensor right there, but testing purposes I had to move it a little bit, but I relocated back right there when I had some time. But check it out, man. Let's see. So as far as hooking it up, I mean, it's pretty simple. You know, when the harness hooks up to a sensor, and it's only like 3 wires you gotta hook up. One's the power wire. You hook it up to a switch 12 volt. I just hooked it up on the 3rd gen fuse block, you know, right there. I don't know if you guys can see it. You need an inline fuse, you know, 5 amp fuse. I used the 3 amp, that's all I had, but it works. It's even better. But yeah, that's about it. You know, it's 12 volt accessory fused, switched on, and the other 2 wires. So I hooked it up via the serial cable. So I saw this on YouTube, man. I forgot the dude's name. Well, you guys might know. You guys know what I'm talking about. I'm sure you guys have seen it. You guys have gone down the same path trying to hook it up via serial, as opposed to, you know, going to the Pro series, you know, the Pro features and all that. But man, you don't really have to, bro. Like, man, I got it working like this, and it doesn't have any bugs, you know. Getting great readings, you know. I'm able to tune it precisely, you know. The readings are real good. So So I had to buy one of these right here. These little things, I got them off of Amazon. So these two are coming off the wideband. So it's a ground, and then it's the 12-volt accessory switch. It's the serial data cable, the blue one, and the ground to the actual serial. So check it out, man. That's what it looks like. Got the pin 5 for ground and pin, I think it's pin 2. What is it? Yeah, pin 2. That's about it, man. Boom, you hook up. I got this off of Amazon for like $10. Then I got the serial cable. It's a TrendNet TU69 cable. You can see that. But it was like $15, you know. So I saw that on YouTube, man. I forgot the cat's name. Goat Rope Garage. There you go. Goat Rope. I think that's it. But then there's another guy too that did it. He did it with got it working with it wasn't an AEM like that. It was man, I forgot the other brand. Forgot the brand. Wideband he was using. But it was a L something, what was it? Let's see. It was a L. What was the guy's name? Let's go on the YouTube right here. Let's see. Hook up to my Wi-Fi. Show you guys real quick. I give a shout out to the boys. Oh, I'm running low on battery on juice, man. I'm not gonna be able to show you guys. It should be enough. Let's see. No. My shit just died. But I'll charge it up so I can show you guys later. But that's basically it. That's how you hook it up. I'll get back to you guys with another video on the actual readings, how it looks on the HP tuners. But I'll show you guys how it looks right here on the sensor watch. You turn it on, it heats up.